Shadim Sharif. It is Wednesday, May 14, 2025. All right, let's take a look at the housing sector. But I think this applies to many stocks outside of the housing sector, but I think it's a good sector to talk about the TA, technical analysis. Everything behaved fairly TA wise. And if you use TA, hopefully you stay disciplined. As you can see, Home Depot, nice move the last 2 days, but guess what? It did not go up to some random spot. I'm always baffled whenever I hear people talk that they don't use TA and TA is not good or whatever. There's all kind of reasons why people don't use TA. I'm a long-term investor. I don't trade, whatever. But it did not just go up for some random spot. So if you didn't trim, you should have. And if it gets back up there, you should. And then again, if you want to know where the next spot is, up there at the 200, okay? We go level to level. Also, it would not be a bad idea if this thing go higher, okay? If you have Home Depot, I have nothing. I have nothing here. I've been looking to sell spread, but that day is behind right now because the sector is pop. If this thing pop higher, okay, let's say it pop higher and you trim, I would at least set a stop at the low of day yesterday, so that if it break that and fill the gap, you can always buy the share back at the gap fill. Okay, that's simple. Lows, did they pop to some random spot? No. Ref high. Okay, ref high. Okay, not some random spot, but if you didn't trim yet, you should have up there, right? So if you trim and still have some, or if you didn't trim yet and you want to be greedy, up there for sure. Okay, this 200 is, yeah, look, it was support. Okay, it was support and broke it, becomes resistant. Also, it come in line confluence with this downtrend, right? So yeah, why would the housing market be bullish right now? No. Whirlpool, random spot? No. Okay, 50. The 200 and 100 is very far away. So for now, if you still have it and it can still go higher, I don't know if it can, up there. Okay, 95, 96 area, the 100 will be coming down pretty quickly. By next week, it will be lining up there. So yeah, to me, that's your spot. But as you can see, everything is moving very TA wise. Sherwin-Williams, look, it came up to ref high, right? This zone right here has been nothing but resistant, right? So why would be any different? See, TA wise. Last one, Zillow, something I don't talk about enough, but guess what? It is in that area that you should be looking to trim. No doubt about that, okay, right there. It is, first of all, it's ref high, not random. See, this spot right here, ref high, right there, okay? So the next ref high, well, the next spot is of course the 100 MA, and then you get the next ref high up there. So everything move very TA wise. All right, it is. So what does that mean? Whenever you look at literally 5 stock that show you that it moved to a reference high, that's what ref high mean, or ref low whenever I use that term. Reference high, reference low, moving average, all those TA spot are what the bots, the computer program that most big hedge fund and Wall Street firm, money manager use. They are teeing off those area to buy or to sell or to short, you name it. Okay, so not, as I said many times, you and I are not the one moving the market. We are going for the ride where the bots are going. Okay, so make no mistake that this is why TA is the best tool for traders, because we are trying to anticipate the bots. Okay, if we know the bots are heading to a certain target, we want to get out before we get to the final target, or get in when the target is reached. So TA wise, people, okay, is the market is controlled by the bots more so now than ever. Okay.